Today we're diving into 5 game-changing weapons that are crucial for Bangladesh's defense. Get ready to see how these high-tech guardians keep over 160 million people safe. Let's break down the hardware that protects a nation. First up, the J-10C multi-role fighter jet, a true powerhouse in the sky. With its advanced ASA radar, the J-10C can track dozens of targets and strike before the enemy even knows it's there. It's versatile, switching from air combat to ground attack in seconds, and can launch long-range missiles or precision bombs. For Bangladesh, this jet isn't just a new plane, it's a shield over the entire country. The J-10C's technology and firepower send a clear message. Bangladesh's skies are protected. It's the crown jewel of their air defense. Let's see what makes it so formidable. Next, meet the FM-90 surface-to-air missile system, the ultimate ground shield. This mobile unit can shoot down low-flying aircraft, helicopters, and drones in seconds, protecting vital targets across the country. Its mobility means enemies never know where the defense is strongest. The FM-90 creates an unpredictable, deadly dome over Bangladesh's most important sites. Together with the J-10C, it forms a layered defense that's nearly impossible to breach. The FM-90 is why Bangladesh can sleep soundly at night. On the ground, the Type 59G Durjoy main battle tank is a force to be reckoned with. Armed with a 125mm gun that fires both shells and missiles, it can destroy threats from kilometers away. Its advanced armor and explosive reactive protection make it tough to crack. With modern targeting and night fighting tech, the Durjoy leads the charge in any conflict. It's the backbone of Bangladesh's ground forces, a rolling fortress with serious firepower. The Durjoy proves that smart upgrades can turn a classic tank into an invincible machine. Now, let's talk drones. The KX series UAVs are changing the game for Bangladesh. These military-grade drones provide real-time surveillance, tracking enemy movements and gathering vital intel without risking pilots. Some models are armed, able to strike high-value targets instantly and with precision. Drones give Bangladesh unmatched situational awareness and rapid response capability. For a country with complex borders and vast coastlines, drones are a massive force multiplier. The KX series is the military's eye in the sky, and sometimes its unseen fist. In modern warfare, information is everything, and these drones deliver. Finally, we head to sea. Bangladesh's modern frigates and submarines guard its vital coastline and the Bay of Bengal. Frigates act as floating bases, packed with radars, missiles, and anti-submarine tech to control huge stretches of ocean. The addition of submarines like BNS Nabajatra and BNS Joyjatra gives Bangladesh true stealth and deterrence. Submarines can patrol undetected, forcing adversaries to rethink their strategies. Protecting trade routes and resources, this naval power secures the nation's economic future. Bangladesh's navy sends a clear message: its maritime interests are well defended. The sea is safe thanks to these powerful guardians. There you have it, 5 weapons redefining Bangladesh's defense. From jets and tanks to drones and submarines, each plays a vital role in a layered shield. This isn't just about tech, it's about securing peace and prosperity for millions. Which weapon do you think is most important? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dive.